Just like, oh, got my friend. This is one of my next friend in there, Dolly Body. Yeah, you know, me I say, turn around and the thing, you know, me I say, yes. Okay, back to the
Close out again. I'm gonna add 3 people to ask you 2 questions. Whosoever you don't want answer, you can say take them off.
All right, just give me a minute. Go and make it for me, please. Welcome to Canada. Yes, darling. Me hear you. Look for me earphone. The earphone there. Look in the bag there. The traffic run off yet? The traffic run off? You think the traffic run off by that time to go up a phone yard?
Yeah, I think so.
All right. Hello?
I have another half hour.
Hello? Yes.
Hello,
Yes. What is your question for the boss?
Bossy.
Mm-hmm.
One know about spice. You want spice?
Mm-hmm.
So if you feel so bad about spice, why the God you go look for her?
All right, I'm glad that they got here in my life. Okay, if you love somebody no matter what and you hear say they end up and dying, wouldn't you go look for them because save them not soon finish dead?
We can't take you.
Then if you
We can't take
realize that
you.
somebody they and dying and them heart no good and them mind no good, then you don't want to fly, go figure save them really dead. When I was going
So you
here, I
want
told
you
you
want to
that I
prove
am
that she dead for
going to
two.
DR to look for her to see if she alright. Remember, I said me pronounce that she dead before me go, you know, and then she wake up back. So me just double go over there, go finish see if she dead. What's the next question?
Next question.
I'm you ask a question about myself.
Oh, I'm not gonna if I'm
Alright, let me
reading it.
answer one. Let me answer one.
Okay.
Let me answer one. Because that's the blessing when Spice bring to. She bring the blessing that the reading to. What you ask me? But before me ask you nothing, there is a man that I don't like him behavior. Me put him on fire and him ignorant and him confusing and him feel like him want control things and things we got for him. Where I believe that and everything where him say makes sense. Me feel like him behavior is a turn off. Me feel like him have no reasoning ability. So your head and your meds just feel crass. Sometimes you gotta eat him and another minute you don't have nothing to do with him. So it's a little confusion meds.
That are the man in my life now.
Yes, but remember 3 man you are fucking up, but only 1 is your segment.
I think I don't know about that one. That one is not accurate at all.
How much man you fuck?
1.
Okay. Me say remember 3 man you fuck, but a 1 in your segment. So where the 2 pass fuck? You have to listen to me and say good, you know, I say 3 man you fuck, but whatever. But the bottom line is when I say 3 man dead, 3 you fuck, but if you pause, them explain the 7 man where you try to tell me, say me I style you. Next time with the next man, do me too raw like you. Alright, let me say something to you. You want me to tell you something about you? And then we move on.
Yes.
I am summoned you to know that it's not nothing bad, but you have to go see a doctor. Just a slight infection, bacteria, nothing major. But if you just see a doctor, then you will find you feel uncomfortable and wonder what I want. And then nothing major. Sometimes people do have this infection or some local bacteria. I need you to see a doctor. But you are right different. Business-wise, clothes, store and foreign, medical field. Once you live in a foreign, your life will go change. Where you live right now?
I'm not foreign.
Okay. You're not the medical
America.
field yet? You're not medical field yet?
I'm in a nursing school.
Okay, so your life will go change. Everything all right. We can move on to the next person. Hold on. What the next person asked me? But I would like you to come and ask me nothing about on the life. Ask me about Big Pussy Spice.
Yes, because RT, you got to understand. This is the lady with the blue hair, and she's watching.
Yes,
so
the lady with the blue hair and the grey pussy will come viral. The woman with the international skin out pussy with can't hold slash in her rasta. God, no want him in heaven. Skin out too much pussy, God call him and the angel him crucify him and send him back down and say, no bitch, not time for you to die.
Nice.
We don't want to skin out in heaven.
What's your question, my love? She look like trees.
Cut off add one bestie now. Add one bestie now so me can. I know you know add one bestie we want to get the right way so me can send them up in a spice.
Hello.
Hello.
Hey. Hi.
How are you?
I'm doing well. How about yourself?
Good.
You know, so me no really like spice, you know. You understand? You have all right.
to feel the way you feel, RT, me not lie. But what you can't tell me about myself?
Me book class. That is why. You see, that's why I never play the hypocrite part when it comes to Spice. Because the most me beat out her blood clot, me still I help people life. And that is what I'm about, you know, is helping people and more. That is why I tell them, say, regardless of what I not stop call Spice name. You see, me a call Spice name and me a chat mix up, but people still a look help. Let me say something to you, my girl. I see a papers problem. Don't tell me say I feel or you are get smarty, because that is going to be a problem.
Okay.
Are you giving somebody or you want it?
No, me good. It not at me yet.
So, okay. Well, me see you are going to marry the man. But me think of papers. So you have to know if a papers you are going to give him or a relationship. But I don't think it's relationship. It's papers marriage.
Okay.
Is there anybody who like you and want you to do something for them in that realms?
Not yet.
Okay, well, that's when we see a papers marriage. I don't have anything to tell you because if you want me to tell you something, I have to tell you what I see because I don't tell lie. You are a very moody and depressed and an interperson who cry a lot and secretive and keep inside. You have problem with your family, problem with your father, and some little negative inner things inside. You also want to touch something private. I don't want to say molest, rape, or fuck off, but who fucked you off when you was a child?
Oh, that never happened. No, that never go on.
Who fuck you or who rape you when you was a child? Who molest you? Who sex
Nobody.
you? Who touch you?
Nobody. No, nobody.
Listen me now. I'm going to make you speak. It's not going to make the woman cut you off. Because you start off nice and you're not going to end it good.
Okay.
Not going to end it bad. You have any
I
nice.
don't
Let me
have
take
it.
my time. I'm coming.
No, man. Me not have nobody. Not
Did you get raped or almost get raped or somebody molest you or somebody tried to touch you?
Almost. When I was a
Fat sour
teenager.
blood clot waist, girl. Don't make me come empty like a blood clot back. Weird. Almost rape, a big pussy, girl. Hey, cut off that big old blood clot left and right, girl. You know. Because you come tell me, you know, say almost because you want pretty up with blood clot. Girl, go salute. Blood clot. Yes, when me can't bother with them a blood clot. Because you and me I try to do now. A pretty top now. Me know a pretty top now, you know. Because my sister said I tried to make me look bad. Let me talk to you. She was trying to make me look bad, so I'm just trying to pretty it up, to smooth it down till she said almost. And I almost big fat act them fuck you. I mean, I try to fix it, say your uncle shouldn't fuck you. I try for me. Look how I couldn't get one look at reading now, if you at least say, you know, RT, if you tell you know for true, I'm my uncle. You run and come and make give me somebody else, man. Your uncle used to fuck you. Or maybe, you know, open your daddy. Next.
All right. So listen, Mr. Boss, the lady with the blue ear watched the live and she know it's all about her.
Okay.
We can't take the attention to her. No.
Let me say something. Let me say something to you. The lady with the blue hair, biggest problem is how long she tell the man I can't burn my pen for kill me and me can't dead. And I'm going to say to you know, ladies, the reason why you're your man a can't burn pen can't kill me. You remember 45 and 30? Posty, remember you same one said to me, if music now go on, me have to come over on that side there and you make sure me get a seat and go in. Bitch, I glad the day when me did stay under the tree. Cause if I never under the green tree, you would have knocked me already. The only reason why you fear me, because you know me sit down under the lime tree. So you fear me. Bitch. That's why me know PMP can never come in a power, because any PMP come in a power to blood clot me have to roll up Jamaica, because you're gonna make a smurfing. Beauty queen bitch come for me. Hello, any question you wanna ask me?
Yes.
Hi, King. How are you?
Come for me.
Greetings, King. My question to you is, from the beginning when you did a read Spice, before you invest in her, didn't you see that she was going to betray you in the future along the line?
Good
question.
question.
Didn't you see that?
Okay,
or you just gave her the benefit of the doubt?
No, I'm not gonna tell a lie. It wasn't the benefit of the doubt. You know, when you just onto a person and you just love them and you like them, we ain't even admit nothing negative, you just move on to the atmosphere. I mean, no people can believe in that. Because if somebody might say, then, because yes, I can tell you, say, yes, me did see that, because in a device note here, me tell her, say, hey, me fear, so we are going to end bad. Numerous times you hear in advice, so I tell her, I say, we fear we have a problem. But I don't want to put it that way because that is not the truth. The truth is, me did so much caught up in love and our whole behavior and our energy, me just blind to it.
So you never know, say nothing fuck her too.
Jesus Christ.
Alright.
Listen to me, big pussy girl, and me alone to have spice file. Don't blood clot come from the life and come disgrace y'all me that. And me alone for class about a ginger hole and any man when he fuck her like a stoplight. Don't you blood clot come up here so come talk you want come disgrace about nothing fuck her. Nothing no blood clot body. Listen, no come here come go like you want come this blood clot grace. Anybody for disgrace here me. What the fuck you come bring up nothing no bad. Nothing ever fuck her. Nothing can go in them there good stinking whatever pussy. Even though me classy pussy. Nothing can go in them there bad breed pussy. As much as it's bad breed are good, you're rude. Don't come over here. Listen, if you don't come up here, when you come address, when you come blood, that come like you come style, my queen. You're rude.
All right, so I won't add anybody unless you tell me to add
No,
them.
them you can't add, but disrespect me. Don't disrespect Gracie. That not go cool. And me, you want to take a show from me? Yeah, come to about even fuck no fee. Me not like that part there. That's rude. Back to you now.
Okay. Yeah. Now, you mentioned that Safari. Hello?
Yeah, we mentioned Safari, Nyamit, and Chewit, and Spicy, and I'm not saying nothing wrong. Everybody knows the Star Parks. Everybody knows the Safari, my name of Shibada. On the borderline. What are you doing? The interview laugh to blood. So that's a good girl.
When you decided to help Spice with her career, right? What was it? What was she supposed to do for you in return?
All right. When me help her with me like them a question that the people are listening to me. When me help her with her career, all I was looking for return was love and acknowledgement. Nothing is the word. Let me go back again. That's why I wouldn't believe me, because I think this is when me fuck up. Because you might say, why you just do this stuff not at all? Mind you, me did have my wholesale, me live a big lane Central Village, me in a better position than Gracie. So when me help Gracie, it's just love and banking and popularity. Mind you, me and the spirituality, I don't want music. Everybody knows that spirituality me do music as hobby, as fun. Because nobody know you're missing no conscious song, no gunman song or scam. I just be a girl who see me I deal with. Hello?
Yeah, girl song, yeah.
So all me did want she come out come say is this is RT, is a spiritual advisor and is very accurate. You can book him. Do all with all right. Me feel like I get all of my money. Me just didn't want to look at popularity, look at acknowledgement.
Yeah. Okay, I don't have any more
before
questions.
you go, hold on. Since that about it, me like what you ask, but bear in mind, she tried, you know. She tried by giving me the music career, influence me and tell me must try it. But me not really like the music career. Me just didn't want people to know that I'm a spiritual advisor. But as can to she, people are going to bash her and say a hobby and a witchcraft, so she don't want to get involved. Thank you very much for your question.
Okay, so just people know the level of how you help her in life, so you could have get more customers.
All right, good. Get more customer. But it still a work for me now, you know, but it a work the bad way. Because it still a bring customer, but it also make people have bad things to say about me based on how I portray myself.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
All right, enjoy.
All right, RT, I see you touch a part with Nuffy, because the other day I hear Nuffy on his live, and Nuffy like talk about some stuff.
Let me tell you something about Nuffy. I was just joking a while ago, right? So when she talked about the Nuffy, just like the fact that we just want to look at hype as me and disrespect myself. All right, let me say about Nuffy now. Nuffy, I don't have a problem with Nuffy. I just know that Nuffy have a problem with Spice. When I come in there, I will hobby and work for Nuffy. Nuffy come in and my inbox and say, oh, say, yeah, the hobby man, you are trying to do me things. Now, when we come to understand, say, the problem when Nuffy have is the same thing when me have with Spice. Let me tell you, remember, I know, me had the spirituality at church, me do fall in love with her because she come in road me and support. So me come to realize that the same problem when me have with her, the problem when Nuffy have, because Nuffy did generally love her, but at the end of the day, because she's a girl like this, love chose stone behind her and bad mind and fucked up. But the only thing when me did really pre-Nuffy is When we meet her, she was all about nothing. Now over her, but nothing a fight against her in the sense of nothing one. All right, for example, this old quote unquote sting thing. It was organized by Nuffy and Ling. So she was saying that Nuffy want to flop her career. That is why she don't want to perform. Because she's saying Nuffy get too much bust for Maca Diamond to put at the front part of the stage show to flop her. That is why I end up reach a sting the day and tell her, well, if a Nuffy have your problem with Maca Diamond, then me go show you me better than Nuffy. Both Maca Diamond and Nuffy can enter the stage for, but the end of the way is Nuffy they on the stage and him call her out, but there couldn't be no Maca Diamond. There was a man by the name of Ricky Bless and a man by the name of Nuffy. They were on Maca Diamond team. Ricky Bless called me and tell me, say, after everything, come and him cool now and him realized that me was the man behind everything. He said the day when he was carrying out Maca Diamond and Sting, when him reach Maca Diamond start ball because of one thing, Maca Diamond see the donkey. You so clever I was. I was the man who go for the donkey. Who let out the donkey? Say, me as Adamite, me a fuck your auntie. Every night, the baby father and the baby fuck me. Them the line there. I will sit down and write. Who let out the donkey? Said that me as Adamite and you a fuck your auntie.
Jesus Christ.
Listen, me and Spice sit down and write song together. Spice sit down and vibes with me. That's why it hurt me so much. But you know why me keep on a half a hour? The Jamaican people and keep on and say, is envy me here. Me feel like if you just come out and clear the ear, me would have go about my business because nobody no see me attack nobody else. Nobody no see me have drug nobody else. Nobody no see me a hear off on nobody else. It's just this one person, and trust me, people who are watching, the whole we have a heart. If you do something for someone and they not play the part, how the fuck you gonna feel? You're human. The only reason why I don't take a gun and kill her or shoot her because nothing will come out of that. I go to jail and my family, them go, that doesn't make no sense. But just the level where she bring me upon, and then you go jeer me, you go mock me. I want to say something to you. Shaggy. And I'm going to say something to you, Grace. You could have fucked Shaggy from now till a man and you still not get no Grammy. Wait till him wine find out. I mean, no, I call all the fuck name by your name, but the people them not believe. But remember, say, you did always latitude your career with your pussy till me goosey it out. Remember, you fuck your way out, you know, you fuck ninja every one of them blood clad, and you couldn't bust until the goosey come and put by you. Let me tell you something. I tell Grace this session of doing no surgery. The reason why you see Grace in a body suit, yeah, let me tell you some blood clotting. Some of the girl them will make Grace a class, you know, make Grace feel like she have blood clots. Somebody will not found a girl a hot girl. The reason why you see Grace in a body suit, every blood clot there, in go at the body the first time and then chop up in blood clot, make it look like Chucky Voodoo Dolly. She don't have a good belly button. The man fuck up the first surgery. She want a good belly button. Then fuck up the surgery. So she after she in a bodysuit like Queen of England and Queen in England. That is why she wear bodysuit. She can't show a belly. She can't show a body rider. You ever see her in a belly skin yet? You ever see her with her foot them a show yet? The blood clot girl hashy and cranny. I do him blood clot belly and take out the stuffy your time blood clot stuffy. You know, I wonder why. You know, I always wonder why she's so black and ashy and low. So it's short in her pigment. That's why her skin them always ashy and dirty. Spice every time you want me to get Spice lotion. Look at Spice good right now. Later when she do the show tomorrow, you need a lasso and down the mama. Last one, that was tell Spice to go school the grey hair and a nasty pussy. Definition of carrot and a dirty hole. And a vice note. Listen, let me tell you, what I know best is go suck on the mama Spice can sue me. All of them vice things when me attack when me and a blood clot chat it about. No, when me talk out of my good mouth and when Spice can say out of your blood clot mouth. Spice fuck Ishi and all blood clot mouth. Fuck you and fuck Spice too. Blood clot, not going to Spice on her body.
For real, she have this spirit. She have this spirit for true, this negative spirit, and she wants
Spice on another body. Spice going like she better than everybody. Did you know? You know what he said? She claims that she got even and come back and dead, and when this bitch come back, all this bitch come back and come tell pure lie after she go take out her ribs, and the fucking underprivileged blood clad chicken back Jamaican them a believe her because two she said. I lie the blood clot or I tell woman go take out her ribs to show her look like Lakeisha Cole.
Prior side, but me know be like she take because the woman she just have a negative spirit. So tell me about J. Capri.
I know me kill J. Capri. A bad who be a fling and it never catch lady sir, so it's Capri.
Alright, so tell me about
hold on, I done it. The same bad who be a fling with Lick Spice blood clot, but it never kill him, but it just that J. Capri did get fair one fully. J. Capri don't mix up in anything. Make her soul rest in peace. It's just that Lady Sir did have a man from St. Mary, and in order to bring down Lady Sir, you'd have to lick and lick anything round she. And Lady Sir realized that the nearest one kick the bucket, so she go to God for the glory, because she knows she was next on the list. It's in spiritual war. Remember Lady Sir sing about it.
Okay, so why the blue ear lady? I could talk a little bit about the lady who buy the Mercedes from the OnlyFans page. The Benz, not Benz, the BMW from the OnlyFans page.
You mean
why
the Barney Angel?
Yes, I could speak about that. Like me don't have money like you, you know. So when them do, me wait.
What part? Listen, anybody sue me, the only thing I'm going to get is a couple blood clot when it appear out.
All right. So now I could speak about that. You notice how she do? She do the song with the lady, take down the song, and then style the lady and dog the lady.
Well, to be honest, I have to tell you, me agree with that. I was a part of that.
Oh, so you helped with
yeah, I was a part of that. Yeah, because mind you, let me say something to you. I consider Angel as the saltiest dancehall artist in the entire industry. Him and Prampute. Now nowhere I go more than any.
I was gonna ask you about the other.
Both Prampute and the Angel is one of the two nonsense artists in a dancehall when I have nowhere I go. So the bottom line is, Spice have a problem with she fucking Killer and Beanie and couldn't make it in a dancehall, so she don't feel like say she want to do the collab. Let me talk real story now, Wagwan now. Let me cut the joke. Here Wagwan. Angel, at the time and Spice did I get too close. And I stop it and denounce it because I make sure you know, say, look here, you can't par with Fallen Angel because two kings she fuck and can't bust that are crosses. So you have to separate yourself. So me really tell Spice that she will separate herself from that lady because she are crosses. Me and Spice, but to show you all me, I want great pussy. Well, that's why God fucked me up too, you know, because we have to put that out there. Me and Spice. No, I have to tell you why God fucked me up too. Me talk truth, you know. If you get to understand me talk the truth. Me and Spice, you know, all right. My mama used to tell me, friends not good for you, girl. That right for Angel. And when we sit down and write the song for Angel, you know, and she write the song, you know, she tell me about it, you know, say, my mama used to tell me, and me then, yes, the song bad. Blood clot liquid, I know, say the song come for me. And the same song where one God Almighty line me put in it by saying, the line when me say, my mama used to tell me, I started in DNA, my mama tell me if you go tell it. And trust me, it backfired upon me. That was it for you. That song was for the Angel.
Okay, no joke. Everybody have their own opinions. RT, her friend, Pampute. I think that Pampute a bad artist. Why is it she never ever say make she do a song with Pampute or bring Pampute, try to help Pampute? Like, what's the reason?
Pampute hold on herself. Pampute is too... Alright, how should I put it? You see, alright, it's like how them just say me a batty man, and that's time for me for them no want let me in a dance hall, but true me no say me no want in a dance hall, me just go and keep mama busy and relevant by take away me gear. So with Prampute now, the stigma upon Prampute now, where bar she like what a bar me, but you know me have my money already, me a enter roughly in game. You see, Prampute have this I'm telling you, man and woman in a one, it too beat. Let me get one joke. I remember a couple of years ago, Elephant Man put her upon a song, and him have to take Prampute after the song and give ladies it because at that the song with Elephant Man and Lady Sir, remember that song? It was Prampute and Elephant Man. And him have to take off ladies, take off Pampute and put ladies because Pampute sound like a man. So the problem why Pampute have it hard in a dance hall or energy too rough as a man. So it's like she send off a Batman energy towards the picture dancer. So them not really like that look of energy. Otherwise from that,
She fine.
Spice now bust her a blood clot. Did you see Spice bust nobody when
That's
near her? Spice never bust me a pan pressure, go bust nobody with their
That's-
own Spice with car. Alright, let's show you something. All of the real people to Spice no help. Let me tell you about this big fat sour stay bad one with can't dead and him wait to kill him. Richie Feelings. Richie Feelings that dead and stink and sour and him over natural weight. And he make bumbo clad top selector where no big like him. Where the one when him look one with my party. When my party the one with the where fuck I want to play at my party, man? You want to more bad? Triple X. Look how Triple X big and fat and stay bad. And a long time Richie Feelings stay bad, you know. And guess what? Richie's Feelings don't have a space in a dance hall and your friend a queen a dance hall. For sure your Spice act no good. Pampute is one of Spice friend. And Spice is the queen of dance hall. And Spice, Pampute, they've never good song in a dance hall. It don't make no sense.
Okay.
Talk about cartel part.
Mm-hmm.
The only reason why Spice have only two songs in a cartel time when me and never rain because Spice don't really like cartel. Let me talk about that part, the Gaza part. Spice don't really like cartel, but me know they're not gonna believe it. Spice don't really associate herself with cartel that much because of one thing. But we never know because every day she depend on Gaza. Me say Gaza. So the question is, you see if she should go look for cartel yet? Yeah, but she brand herself in a love and hip hop with cartel yet. She can't do that because cartel in a criminal activity that is stifling her career. She only hold on cartel name because of Jamaica culture and badness. You don't want Gaza. Gaza big, you know. And you don't want to leave Gaza. Listen, Spice them have a bone blood clot. You ever hear Spice get a liar try to defend cartel yet to come out of prison? Did you ever hear she got big speech and she go and go up and liar place? And she go and get it. There are some key important things me talk. One no bumbo clad listen. The biggest thing for Grace is that cartel in a prison and me. Because you know why she hate him and act like she love him? Let me tell you the reason why Spice hate cartel and cartel him even know a blood clot. The reason why Spice hate cartel and me hate him. You know so much artists, girl, him did a bus when me I walk over for Spicy. When me I walk over for Spicy, you know, him help me with the name there. Him have Gaza Slim. Him have Gaza Indu. Help me with the name them. Lisa Hype and the list goes on when me I walk over. So how we feel like him. Look how much people him push out when me I walk up here. You know how me let him in? When him come to Gracie and say, Gracie, I have a song back way. And me say, me like it. Boss him. It was me, Kenny, and Travis the other day when I was listening to the song. I approve of that song with Cartel coming. And then me approve the next one we say, Underwater, Under Fire. Every time Cartel come in, I me let him in.
Okay, so
Me approve them there. Well, I'm finish that. Finish that. At that time when me I work for Spice, him have a girl named Jodie Couture, him have Lisa Mercedes. Him have all of them people that are bossing their music. So Spice will love him. When all him do a boss pay a woman, but notice every woman in boss can't go nowhere. That is where I come in. You know, see me always say there's one queen and I me one that throne there and one that throne there. Because if Gaza the king himself, him have a dirty heart too. All him did that try get Gracie off of the throne too. And that would not blood clot no too. Him himself did that try get her off of the throne because one at the time when him did a lick shot and him a do film thing. Him don't remember nothing about Gracie. When him get a ramping shop and supporting the pan Gaza Slim and everybody, him don't remember nothing about Gracie. Gracie have him up. And one thing him get him did a walk a bus woman, till RT Bass come. What are you talking about?
So you had honey in the Ramping Shop song because that song went
No,
viral.
I wasn't there when Ramping Shop there. I wasn't in Ramping Shop.
Okay.
Ramping Shop started with him and her. I wasn't there with Ramping Shop. But After Ramping Shop, right? After Ramping Shop, the next collab is the one when name, remember that song, the one name, we should good black tongue back, we can't take a fire, pump, whatever. That song with TC. Let's talk about TC and
Yes, that's what
me hire them,
I
not
want to
Spice.
talk to you about.
You listen to the voice note when me tell you, say, blood clot, girl, me tell you enough to make them woman in your house and up in your house, and me hire TC Rebel, I'm pretty.
All right, but all I know, Tarlop say TC rate you something true.
I will not talk about that unless a gunshot a bust off in another.
All right. So back to TC Rebel and Pretty. What you say now?
Okay. TC Rebel and Pretty, me hire them till them diss me. But you know, before them diss me, me glad me did have the time to say to Gracie, why them gyal wear the same clothes? She said, "La dirty man, you have to watch it." Me say, "Come buy the shoes, them and me see this man, me see Pretty night." And she said, "I saw you go, them have to wear the different clothes." That's so me if you find out say Pretty and Rebel wear the same size now, you know, because you know the mama man chip in. Because me buy clothes for them, I put and play with them in New York. Pat and play and them place they will buy in New York. And me always pick out clothes. I'm a fashionable person who call me mama man. So that is why I deal with divas them good. When we go to New York, Spice no spend money. Just like what people that say me kind. So if Spice call me, she there in New York and she come shop the video, me don't make she pay for nothing. Me just take out my credit card. So when me introduce myself them to TC and Rebel, I say to TC, but I want to put this out there.
Bring my phone. They keep calling me.
I want to put this out there. I do not have, like, out of everybody else, I don't have anything against TC. You notice I don't really talk about her much.
Yeah.
I only use her because she's make a part of the tree. Behind her back and in front of her, TC is the only one that makes sense out of the crew. I do believe that she should even not dance because her character and her energy and her atmosphere is more intelligent and beyond what she's doing. So I never try for him shot at her. I try to shadow her because I don't have any problem with TC. I admire her. I really like her. But because she's a part of the team Spice, me have to clearly state that they support. So put her name out there one time, say TC, when we move on to big pussy, fucky, take man, transity, big water hole, rebel, itty. Let's talk about she. Let me know you. Let me make you know something.
I'm an advocate. They keep calling me.
Who?
They keep calling the thing interrupting me, so I'm gonna show them I'm on live. I'm hearing.
What I want people to know, if the gunman come, me ready. If the lawyer come, me ready. If Mr. Debt come, me ready. If badness come, me ready. If over come, me ready. If itness come, me ready. Because I make up my mind. I'm fully ready. Ready for what? Any blood clotting this can bring. Because nobody in a blood clot tell me if to stop it. All the prime minister for Jamaica can't tell me if to stop it. I'm going to lock up my blood clot and sentence me or ban me. Because guess what? One thing me believe in, if I must fight till I should reign, increase my courage, lad. Me not stop drag and bring down that blood clot soprano black bitch. And any day you see him fall, that's all feel good. You know, when me go stop talk, so when the bitch come out and talk, say, you know, say me know the guy, I'ma fuck him up still, and I just because him have him dirty ways, I mean I like him behavior, why me never really give him kind of face, see? But you come talk that. But don't come blood talk like, you know me never mix up in nothing with you when me have the evidence. And one thing me want to know, who are listen, most of the people who buy out the argument, who must can't sleep. I don't feel like say no problem. No. The reason why I can't sleep at the Spice business. Because I want to sit down and hear the evidence. I want to still deny the facts that are the truth. That is why I can't sleep. When I'm minding a people business, I'm going to have sleepless blood clot nights. I think I can't do no more. Let me wrap up the interview now,
right.
Because white man have to go away and traffic.
Good. Last question. RT, would you care to mention a few of the things that you have done to make her some type of relevant in the business,
Yes, like
the music business?
Yes, a lot. All right. For example, the other day when you see she almost dead with the surgery, the reason for that is also spirituality is due. When you're due for the things that they have to do every December and every other month, Me have to come give her a bath for love and hip hop. Me have to do her gold candle. Me have to do the table. You know me not tell a lie. Then me have to do the milk bath. The milk bath when me use to bath her in a regular, that is cow's milk and so forth, in order to keep the prosperity in the love and hip hop. So it's like with all of these spiritualities, goat sacrifice, the blood bath, the milk bath, the candle lighting, the drinking of the goat blood, not human blood, ritual in spiritual realms, the fasting, the psalms, the candle, all of that, and holding down Maca Diamond, holding down Lady Sir. I want to say something to you, Lady Sir. Like, there's 2 shots with fire for Lady Sir. And I wish if I could start fire them off at Spice. And I'm going to show you the 2 shots them on fire for Lady Sir. Somebody look for your phone and look for Lady Sir from the barn. I send that the range there. Who remember when time Lady Sir range crash? We could talk, and you know me not tell lie, me talk when me do. That's why me know me reach even. Remember when time Lady Sir range almost crash? Alright. You in our song when you from a band, me go over man. She say a long time they said, don't she in her line. She said, do not mix me with him and her long time they want me for dead and crash in a me car. If you want to know everything what I want, listen to Lady Sir. So, ladies start talk. And you know, I don't understand me, darling. And I'm me alone attack, you know. Ladies start talk too, you know, and they not listen. Them
Yes,
just
she
look like
sings
I'm me
about it.
alone. Ladies start talk.
Sing it. Just
Listen,
sing it.
here it is. Sit there. Listen, ladies start.
Nor sitteth in the seat of the scornful, but his delight is in the law of the Lord, and in his law doeth he meditate day and night. And he shall be like a tree planted by the rivers of water, that bringeth forth his fruit in his season. His leaves also shall
I'm a spicy attack, you know. Listen to the verse now. When she a lyrical talk. Let's listen. All right. So, and many more songs follow, as you can see. Let me say something. I see somebody say a while ago, say, I don't believe a word where you say. Me don't want to believe nothing when I say, because no, Spice and Nado and the story. Archivas, the story of Spice. None of you also don't make a blood clot sense, because whether you believe or not, you still can't make Spice pay me. The greatest thing you just have a blood clot. Listen, because you're obligated to hear it. Simple. So you don't have to fucking believe me. Try to believe me if me did broke or I'm hungry. But the level where I am hand right now, you can't believe me. Let me say something to my Jamaican people, because only the Jamaican people let me have a problem. Jamaican, and look here. On the sorry ass blood clot will live fire. not say anything where me and Spice is because it's a big public fool. You know depend on our level. You realize when I plan to come address her, not even in my hometown, I fly come to Canada just to talk in Toronto. Toronto, Canada, I'm right now, to address your mighty dancehall whore. Yes, Toronto. And with a superb and superb view. See it? So I don't want to believe what I have to say. And I want to say a strong message to people. Mr. Cockburnton and the bad man them from when? Let me say something. Me know the whole of the highs. I want to head I go mad now because I want to say I start back my fuckery. But all I am saying to every godman and every system man and something, one advice I give you, when you know I do anything, do it fucking good. Because if you miss me to blood clot.
Calling him.
To come good. Because when you come, I want to miss me blood clot. Me I go for no queen and do time in a prison. Because you not kill me. Me already book you. And let me repeat this for the live and everybody listen. You no go about me because you no go miss me. And you no miss off of me. And everybody here say me miss. I will do it myself and do my time in a prison.
RT, the people them know say I talk truth. Trust me.
I will do it and do my time in a prison. I not nothing more to say. I say when the gunman them come from Cockburn Pen and the badness them turn up and them shoot off of me and try to miss me, me not have nothing else to do more than find her blood clot self. And I know if I find her. I know which part of Atlanta she live. I know everything about her. I know her address. I know her street. I know every blood clot place where she live. I know where she is. And anytime I feel threatened or a man shoot off of me personally I had that she go on and do my time. Remember me RT Boss tell her that because 30 years of life in a prison are chromosine for me blood clot time. Do you see how dangerous this is? I rather die.
RT, the people them know say truth you talk.
I rather die.
No, they're not stupid. They just don't. Some of them just not like you, which is
all right.
That's okay.
Let's talk about that. Why them not like me? You touch a topic. Yeah, you say something that means you know what going in the way.
Of course.
Why them not like me?
But you know, I really don't know because a lot of them don't like me either because them a dog me too. But I care zero, you know. But the people them know truth you talk.
Yeah, but
they know.
But the question is, me don't want to know why them not like me because me know say them not like me. Which is me don't really want them to like me. But let's put it this way. Hold on. Say why most of the Jamaican bestie people and West Spice are the dancehall people, why them not like me? Me know all labor right like me.
Maybe because you see through them team blue ear, you know how these little knuckleheads people are. And a lot of people, they have no sense because it's not like she feeding them or anything. People idolize certain people and then other people cannot speak about that person that they idolize. You understand? So I think this is where the hate comes in. But people know that you're speaking facts. I know you're speaking facts.
But all right, so if the people them know that I'm speaking facts, why we all not bury the ashes by just saying one thing? Okay, RT, we believe you. You don't feel like say the people them can done to by them saying, okay, RT, we believe you, all you should do a deal with it. But if every day them are gonna get up, listen, let me tell you something. I don't think as Spice and RT make this argument so you know, I think are the bestie. I do not think it's
the besties are the commentators.
I believe at the best they make me a name of Spice, so because Spice never come for me yet, but them always represent Spice. We as in come under my page and make some little statement So it's like at the best they make Spice I get the most dragging. If the best they didn't leave me alone, they wouldn't hear them Queen Pussy file. So if the best them really want to stop here the Queen Pussy file, what them need to do is leave me alone. You get it?
Understand. But so I'm trying to tell you, most people, what I've found out on social media, the people them do not like the truth, RT. They don't like the truth.
Well, listen to me. 95% of the people them where come from our culture. Remember, say anybody we're rich, you know, we know them like the Prime Minister, Angela and Portia. Remember, all of we are hungry belly, broke motherfucker. So you can't expect better.
Which is right. And
No,
a
the
lot
one
of
them come out and them belly full will
and
prosper.
a lot of them are wagonists as well. Because like I tell you, once they idolize someone, them no want hear nothing bad about that person. And we're not here to tear down
They're
anyone, but people
a
that could.
mirror. We are not here to tear down anyone who want talk my side.
Yep.
And then again, me no mean business if it want tear down or blood clot drag down, a poison someone. Blood clot. Bad. Anyway, thank you very much for having me. And you know, lady, I don't know your name. What's your name?
Bling.
Bling. Well, as of today, now, Mr. Somebody just say a while ago, say, interview lady pick side. Say interview lady. Because the lady does not pick the side. She just have to go, she have to give